Hopefully, you come to work each day to make good things happen. Your coworkers and our customers need you to make good decisions. Many times, taking action will mean making good decisions. Of course, nobody makes good decisions all the time, but our goal is to improve our decision-making process. There are proven decision-making techniques to help improve our odds of making good decisions. One trick in making a good decision is to not let the time pressures of your job cause you to jump to a conclusion. You must take the time to use a decision-making technique so that your decision will be a good one. Many of us here see and understand many things as part of our job. Many times we need to make decisions quickly so that we can get on with work. Because of this fast pace, we need an orderly approach for making our decisions. A good decision-making technique will help eliminate emotional reactions. All human beings are emotional. In fact, sometimes we become demanding, frustrated, and/or rushed. To be effective, decision-making should be an approach that helps decrease our subjectivity and minimize the emotional side of our thinking. Until we have experience and/or training, many times our biggest difficulty in solving problems is that we tend to apply the same problem-solving technique to every problem. We have found 4 common kinds of problems, therefore, 4 different ways to go about finding solutions. The 4 types of problems are broad problems, specific problems, decision problems, and planning problems. A broad problem is generally a big, fuzzy issue that needs resolving. The key with solving broad problems is breaking it into pieces. Those pieces might include one or more specific problems where we believe something is wrong and we need to find the cause or causes. It might include one or more decision problems where something must be done and we need to make choices. Or it might include one or more planning problems where something needs a plan in order to prevent a problem and help assure success. An example of a broad problem is facility neatness or poor forecasting by sales. These problems usually need to be broken into smaller pieces in order to resolve them successfully. An example of a specific problem is a machine is down or a part is defective, whereas a broad problem has multiple parts. The specific problem generally has only one cause. As in any problem, the cause is generally not known and therefore will require some investigation as to the true cause. An example of a decision problem is we need to purchase a machine. Which one? Or we need to hire an individual for the new position. Which applicant? An example of a planning problem is we will be starting a new product in the near future. What do we do to assure success, and what can we do now to prevent problems? Very specific training is available in the science of problem solving. This is a learned activity. It is a skill that you will develop over time. It is important to remember that most decisions made at our company are not an emotional reaction to a situation, but a carefully thought-through process using one or more of the problem-solving techniques. Sometimes the solution might not make sense to you because you do not have all the information. When this happens, the solution is not obvious. If the solution to a problem affects you directly and is frustrating to you, ask your supervisor for more information. However, if the problem and solution does not involve you directly, you need to trust that the people involved have used the proper decision-making skills and are doing what is best for the company. Most importantly, don't let change and the decision-making process affect your attitude and productivity. Ask if you need information. But as an employee, you will want to stay focused and do your job to the best of your ability.